Hi everyone, my name is Su Huey. So today I'm going to present our research results. So the title for today is the application of augmented reality positively impacts the advertising design subject field. Okay, so next to go to the next page is our agenda for today. Okay, so the key topics discussed in this presentation is first is the introduction, second is the methods, third is the findings, and fourth is the conclusions. Okay, so we just direct to our introduction. So in the introduction part, the first one we are going to introduce the AR, the augmented reality. Our AR has emerged as a transformative tool capable of enriching learning experience across the diverse subject areas. So this technology already fosters the interactive and immersive experience, and this already significantly enhancing the advertising effectiveness. So the use of AR in advertising and marketing is becoming more prevalent. So the next one, we are going to talk about the primary applications of augmented reality in education. So in Malaysia, the educational institutions have started to use the modern technologies tools like the AR into the lesson plans. So the AR enables the engaging and interactive learning experiences, which may intimate the real-life circumstances and provide the genuine learning programs. So that's why it can enhance the student learning. So next one, that's going to our main topics, the advertising design. So the advertising design, the program course aims to expose the students to the fundamentals of advertising design, information technologies and society, as well as how advertising companies currently conceive and generate advertising campaigns through the media choice. So students will be able to use the innovative, efficient design solutions that are relevant to the demands of digital and print media, both creative and productions. The AR applications for smartphones improve the way poster information is communicated to the users by allowing them to engage with the poster through the AR technologies. So this leads to our next page, the aim of this project. So the aim of this project is to enable students to apply what they have learned and use an interactive method to stay current with the latest innovations, such as creating promotional videos and hyperlinks with new media such as augmented reality. So for the methods, in this project, the methods we use is the AIDA model, the attention, interest, desire, and actions. This model was applied as the design framework for this project. So what is AIDA model? The AIDA model is a fundamental marketing and advertising framework that outlines the stages a consumer goes through before making a purchase, as illustrated in the figure 1. Okay, so first is the attention, second is the interest, third is the desire, and the fourth is the action. So for the AIDA models, we are explain more in this slide. So the A, attention. So what is AIDA? The attention, that means we need to capture the attention of our target audience. So we can use the both visuals, striking colors, or interactive elements to capture our target audience attentions. And the second one, the I, the generating interest. So how to generate the interest for our target audience. So we can provide some content like an engaging story, a fun animation, or some interactive features that encourage our target audience to explore. The third one is to create a desire. So to create a desire, we can use some immersive experiences, which is the strength of AR to build the desire. The last is the action. So in order to prompt the action, we need to have some we need to have some tech ask the target audience to take action. So we can use a website or apps to prompt the audience to take action. So the next one is the procedures. So we can divide this part into two. The first one is the creation of visual, and the second is the integration of AR and the poster design. So for the first part, the creation of visuals and interactive elements for the posters. So for this part, the students are required to create the visual elements of the posters using the design software such as the Illustrator, Photoshop to ensure that the design was visually appealing and aligns with the overall concept. The second step is that they develop the interactive elements for the AR poster, including the animations, videos, 3D models, or other interactive content to achieve the poster's objectives. So the second process is the integration of AR with the poster design. JetBox was used to publish the AR content. So JetWorks is a comprehensive tool for creating and publishing AR content. So it was used to merge the AR elements with the poster designs. So next, go to our findings. So in this project, several prototype AR poster designs were created by students. So the features including the advertising video, a link to a product information, applications, and a poster design to promote the brands and products, which will be learned in the advertising design subject. So, as you can see, a 2D poster will scan with a smartphone and transform into an interactive 3D experience. It will allow the audience to explore, to watch the animations, or to play the mini games. So, in some paper, they suggest that beginners can use the text icons with URLs, image, videos, and other elements to design augmented reality. So the two fundamental tracking methods are the pictures tracking and the word tracking. So next one, we are going to show the artwork. So the first one is the poster design that was designed to raise the social awareness about the saving the turtles. So you can see from the left hand side the pictures here. The left hand side, the first pictures is the 2D poster design, and then the right hand side, the two small pictures show the AR functions of the poster. So when people scan with the QR codes, then they can show the animation of these posters. So embed within the design is an AR app called the Aqua Kingdom, which aims to rescue the endangered turtles. So continue with our next page. So as you can see the apps, the Aqua Kingdom, the mobile applications that attach in the 2D posters, it can help our audience to directly go to the apps and then dedicated to conserving the endangered marine turtles in Malaysia. So in these apps, they have some information about the turtles, the news, and some gallery, and some information about the comics, and audience can give some donations to through the apps. Okay, so this go to our next, the second poster. So as you can see here, the second poster is talking about the promote student developed mobile application. So this application actually is aims to cut down on students' expenses and minimize the chances of getting scammed through the apps. So the first slide here is the poster design that designed by students, and then the right hand side pictures show the AR functions of the poster. So when they click through the mobile phones, they can go to the next page, so they can directly lead them to the apps. So in these apps, they can make it easy to buy, to sell, and rent the used items in the campus. So with the login credentials restricted to a student ID and password, so the platform can ensure that the secure transaction by limiting the access to students only and reducing the risk of fake dealers. So in this 2D poster, people can directly scan the poster and go to the 2D, go to the apps directly. So next one is the another poster that's designed by students. So as you can see, the poster here designed to promote the student developed mobile apps called the Go Bacha. So Go Bacha, this reading apps aims to rekindle the young students or young readers the interest in fairy tales. So when the students or when the readers scan the posters, so After that, they will click the link and then they can directly lead them to the apps. So through the apps, the people can increasingly use their phones to watch the social networking videos. And their users also can link directly to the app from the AR poster, which offers an extensive selection of storybooks to encourage the young people to read. So as a conclusion for this project, as you can see from our previous artwork, the AR has great potential to improve the education by improving student experience, raising the motivation, and enabling creative teaching approach. So all these modern technological tools such as the AR can provide students with practical experience that align with current industry trends. By exposing advertising students to AR, their competency for today's society can be significantly improved. Understand that Others than that, the AIDA model was applied during the development process. So this, in the education context, AR has the potential to improve the instructional outcomes for students, a conclusion that aligns with the study by previous researchers. 2D poster printing can be augmented with AR features such as the video advertisement and interactive engagement to more effectively capture and engage the audience. Last is that continued study and development are required to fully acknowledge AR's promise in advertising design educational context and the use of the AIDA model in AR poster design. The integration of AR in advertising design will likely expand, offering innovative ways to connect with audience, so that designers must stay informed with the latest advancements in AR and consider how to effectively incorporate all these technologies into their design strategies. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.